Hello makers, Melly here from AGF, and I'm having so much fun sewing with two brand new AGF Fusion collections, Rainforest Fusions and Trinket Fusions. And oh my goodness, the colors in these collections are so vibrant and beautiful. I had to sew up an extra special block with these jaw-dropping collections. Ta-da! The Scrapbag block is happy to make your acquaintance. Such an awesome name for a quilt block, don't you think? This block has it all, flying geese, half-square triangles, and packed full of color. Grab some of your fabric scraps, or that bundle you just can't seem to find the right project for, and let's get sewing.
If you're new to our channel and love learning new quilting techniques, don't forget to subscribe below to watch more fun sewing tutorials like this one. Check out the description box below to find all the cutting requirements and step-by-step instructions. On the wrong side of all your 2.5-inch squares from fabric B and E, draw a diagonal line corner to corner with a fabric marking pen. Watch for fabric orientation if you're using directional fabric, and draw half your lines facing to the right and the other half to the left, with the print going in the same direction. Take your 2.5 by 3.5-inch rectangles from fabric F and place your 2.5-inch squares right sides together to the left corner of your rectangle with your diagonal lines facing the right. Sew on the line you drew. Trim your seam allowance to 1/4 inch and press open. Now we're going to repeat the same process on the other side of our rectangle with our remaining squares with the diagonal lines facing the left. Trim your seam allowance to 1/4 inch and press your pieces open to get 8 flying geese. Take 2 different flying geese and sew to each side of a 1.5 by 3.5-inch strip from fabric C. Now it's time to make 4 half-square triangles. Take 2 5-inch squares from fabric B and F and place right sides together. Sew around your square at 1/4 inch. To reveal 4 half-square triangles, cut on both diagonals. Square up your half-square triangles to 2.5 inches. To create your triangle pieces, cut your 2 7/8 square from fabric F and your 4 7/8 square from fabric D in half on the diagonal. Sew your white triangles to your half-square triangles like this to create 4 corner triangle units. Then sew your triangles from fabric D to your corner triangle units. Sew your rows together, matching up seams. And yay, your gorgeous scrap bag block is complete. Make sure to share your quilt block creations made with AGF fabrics on social media using the hashtag AGF Quilt Block Collection.
Our scrap bag block is complete, and I'm really digging the movement and energy this block creates. I'm for sure going to turn this quilt block into a pillow for my boring old couch. I love sprucing up my home, one sewing project at a time. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Until next time, happy sewing.